Hello everyone, myself Srishti Sharma. I'm in MSc first semester. Today I'm going to talk about the Fasciolopsis bascae. So what is Fasciolopsis bascae? Fasciolopsis bascae is commonly called the giant intestinal fluke. And why it is called giant intestinal fluke? Because it is an exceptionally large parasitic fluke, right? And Fasciolopsis bascae cause the disease, that is fasciolopsis, and it has two hosts, primary host that is man and the secondary host that is snail. So before going to study the life cycle, firstly we need to know the morphology. So its body is large dorsoventrally flattened fluke and have a blunt anterior end. Okay, mouth are present. It has two suckers, oral sucker and the ventral sucker, right? Oesophagus is present and the acetabulum is larger than the oral sucker. Okay, branched ovary is present. The fluke has extensive vitelline follicles. Okay, and genital pore is present. So next move to the life cycle. So how it enters in our body? So the Fasciola bascae cyst mainly present in a water plant. Okay, so when the primary host or the human or other cattle consume the Metacercarium larva, the incisive larva, the larva goes to the body, enters in our body and exists in the duodenum. After 3 months it attaches to the intestinal wall and then becomes adult. Okay, जब ये adult बन जाएगा उसके बाद इसमें reproduction होगी, copulation होगी और then the adult lays eggs, right? So the immature embryonated eggs are discharged into the water through the feces, and egg embryonates in water. After the 7 weeks, the eggs becomes the Miracidium larva, that is the first larval stage, right? So जो मीरासीडियम लार्वा है वो एक नॉन फीडिंग स्टेज है, ओके, और इसमें सीलिया प्रेजेंट रहते हैं और एपिकल पेपिला प्रेजेंट रहता है, विच हेल्प्स इन पेनिट्रेट इनसाइड द स्नेल्स बॉडी. सो then the Miracidium larva enters in the body of second intermediate host, that is snail. So when it goes into the Miracidium larva, जब snails की body में जाएगा तो जो encysted Miracidium की जो cyst wall है वो rupture हो जाएगी और ये क्या बन जाएगा, sporocyst larva. So जो sporocyst larva है उसकी जो कवरिंग है वो क्यूटिकल से बनी होती है और जो उसके सीलिया है वो डिस्चार्ज हो जाएंगे, एंड जो उसकी जर्म सेल्स है वो उसके बाद क्या फॉर्म करेंगे, रेडियल लार्वा. ओके, सो जो रेडियल लार्वा है उसमें माउथ प्रेजेंट रहता है, फेरेंजियल ग्लैंड प्रेजेंट रहते हैं और बर्थ पोर प्रेजेंट रहता है. ओके, जिससे सर्केरियल लार्वा निकलता है. सो आफ्टर द रेडियल लार्वा the cercarial larval gets formed. Okay, and जो cercarial larval है वो उसमें tail present रहती है. Okay, and after the cercarial larva it comes out through the body of snail in the water plants and gets formed the Metacercarium larva. So it is a infected stage. The Metacercarial larva is the infected stage of Fasciola bascae. So how this life cycle works? So now if we talk about its pathogenicity, इसका mode of infection क्या है? Eating infected plants as raw foodstuffs. Okay, the portal of entry क्या है? Alimentary canal. Infected agent कौन सा है? Metacercaria larva. जो मेटासर्किरियल लार्वा है वही इसकी इन्फेक्टेड स्टेज है, राइट। एंड साइट ऑफ लोकलाइजेशन क्या है इसकी, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन और ड्यूडेनम। तो ये क्या कॉज करता है, माइल्ड एनीमिया और क्रॉनिक डायरिया। और इसकी ट्रीटमेंट क्या है, praziquantel। थैंक यू।